So if you're planning your outdoor kitchen, we usually start with what components do you want to see in it? And components, I mean, like grill. We want to see the grill size. You got a 3-burner, you got a 4-burner. Are you putting a smoker in here? Are you doing a Blackstone? Those are kind of the 3 cooking components that we look at. Pizza oven's another one. So we take in consideration like all the tools that you have to cook with, whether it be a grill, smoker, flat top, grill, or pizza oven, and we kind of arrange your outdoor kitchen to fit. And then there's some other options that we look at. Maybe you want a sink. We've got a way of running a shut off. Basically, you can run it off of your water hose, so it doesn't take a lot of additional funds to plumb everything. And it's easy to winterize. And then we just drain the sink out in the yard to a bubble pot. Obviously, you won't have a garbage disposal or anything, but it's nice to have running water next to your outdoor kitchen. So that's another option that clients will think about. Refrigeration, we can do ice chest, we can do a refrigerator. It's kind of split. The refrigerator, if you don't get an outdoor one, you have to bring inside or, winterize. So they're a little bit more maintenance in the fall. So a lot of clients will just opt for ice chest. Those are fit basically. They can either go into the side of the grill or you can actually put them in the countertop, and they're nice to have. And then basically doors, drawers, trash can, those kind of things. Think about.